So we were talking about something like money. Money is something which is really important for a human being or should I say everyone. पैसा सबके लिए मायने रखता है, मेरे लिए भी रखता है, तुम्हारे लिए भी रखता है. Now the thing is, if you don't have money, then please earn it. After high school, I would say, which is basically 11th and 12th, you need a money, and if you don't have money, well, you're certainly fucked for your lifetime or something. I would say. But पैसा नहीं होगा तो देखो यार, लाइफ तो चुदेगी. चुदेगी नहीं तो आराम से चुदेगी. Money is the most important thing that should come in your mind. Doesn't matter if you're in a relationship or whatever. पैसा एक ऐसी चीज़ है ना जो तुम्हारे काम में आएगा, हर जगह आएगा. चाहे तुम्हें कहीं से निकलना हो, चाहे कहीं से ब्राइब दे के निकलना हो, कैसे भी हो. Relationship will never really benefit you in any way if you're talking about financial standards and everything. So money is the most important thing that should be in your brain and in your life. Relationships are going to stay long, of course, but the higher chances are that relationship might not stay the way it is. जैसे तुम्हारी रिलेशनशिप है शायद वहाँ से वैसी नहीं रहे. समय के साथ चीज़ें बदलती हैं और बदलेंगी नहीं तो फिर खुद बदलना पड़ेगा. Challenges come and challenges go. Many make mistakes and many do not. A simple thing is, you need to turn yourself into it. Money is the first thing that should come your brain. Doesn't matter how you earn it. It's hard, not really hard. If a person who earns money through content creation, I would say, you might say it's not that hard, but it is hard, I would say. Well, मैं कौन होता हूँ बोलने वाला. And that part of this video is that पैसा तुम्हारे लिए सबसे important चीज़ है. In a relationship or in a family standard, I guess. ये नहीं कह रहा कि फैमिली important नहीं करती, but करती है. But तुम्हारे पास अगर पैसा नहीं होगा तो I don't think your parents are going to respect you. Never they are going to respect you if you're going to be staying unemployed as at your home all day long, doing nothing but sleeping at home. कुछ दिन में कुछ नहीं करना, बस पड़े रहना बेड पे. अगर ये करोगे, your family is never going to respect you and everything. Money is the most important thing that should come into mind, whatever the case might be. It's as simple as that. If you're still not able to understand what I'm trying to say, well, you will. Just wait till you graduate. 12वीं क्लास खत्म करो और the first thing that should come into mind is money. Because I absolutely hate relying on my parents' money. मुझे मेरे माँ बाप के पैसे से पढ़ना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. Even though I'm doing that shit right now. And that's the thing that I hate the most. You know, इंडिया में एक बहुत सी कॉमन सी चीज़ है, तुम पार्ट टाइम जॉब नहीं कर सकते. करोगे भी तो तुम मिलेगा कितना घंटा, 500 रुपये महीने का, लाइक फॉर रियल. 1500 रुपये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. लाइक आज का ऐसा ज़माने की तुम्हारे पैसे नहीं होगा तो यू आर लाइक अ पीस ऑफ शिट. इन ए कंट्री लाइक इंडिया में जहाँ पे करप्शन आसमान पे चढ़ी हुई है, money is pretty much everything that there is. Of course, family matters. I love my family. You love yours. You love yours too. मेरा कहने का आसान सा मतलब है और बहुत आसान सा मतलब है तो तुम समझ भी चुके हो.